Hi there, it's Becca here from Motormatch Chester, and today I'm showing you around this 2019 Audi A1 S-Line Contrast Edition. This is the 1.5 litre petrol automatic model, and it comes from just two previous owners and has 22,000 miles on the clock. Now this is a Motormatch approved used vehicle, so it does come with a 30-day or 1,000 miles warranty, and if the car interests you at all, feel free to give us a call on 01244 311 404. So we'll start off with a 360 tour around the vehicle. You've got your full LED headlights at the front there, providing you with excellent visibility. And this Contrast Edition does boast the blacked out Audi rings and the blacked out grille there. Heading around to the side of the vehicle, you can see you've got those 18-inch 7-spoke rotor design alloys. Those are diamond cut and those are looking incredible against your Python yellow metallic paintwork. Heading into the rear of the vehicle, you can see you've got the half Alcantara, half leather upholstery with plenty of room in the back for up to 3 rear seat passengers, and you have got ISO fixed points for kids' seats. Moving around to the rear, you've got the contrasting Mythos black roof, along with the black badging on the back like I mentioned earlier. The boot itself is nice and spacious, plenty of room for whatever you may need, and your rear seats do actually fold down if you need the extra space at all. Moving back out to the side, you can see you've got the privacy glass in the rear, making your rear seat passengers a lot more comfortable, and you have got the contrasting black door mirrors as well. Moving into your driver's interior, you can see it's looking nice and tidy in here, and you've got the S-Line branded sports seats there. So that concludes our 360 tour. I'm going to hop back inside and show you some more of the interior features. So moving over to the right hand side from your steering wheel, you've got the central locking controls just by your door handle, along with your automatic lighting controls behind the steering wheel. You've got electric windows all around the vehicle, and you do have electrically adjustable and heated door mirrors too. Your steering wheel is multifunction, as you can see, so you can easily adjust the volume of your music or your driver information screen without moving your hands too far from the wheel. You do also have cruise control on this car, which is ideal for motorway driving. Taking a look up at the virtual cockpit, you can see your exact mileage is displayed on screen there for you. You can flick through the trip information, and you can also take a look at things like your current media inputs and your telephone as well. Moving across to your media system, you've got plenty of features to choose from on here as well. This is all touchscreen, so it's nice and easy to use. Going into the radio tab, you can see you do have access to DAB, AM and FM radio wavebands. So you can easily find stations from across the UK that you'd like to listen to. Going into the DAB list here, you can see you've got plenty of preloaded stations, and you can save your favourites to memory to make them much easier to access. If you don't fancy listening to the radio, however, you've got plenty of options when it comes to media. You can insert SD cards, connect devices via Bluetooth, or insert devices via USB. The car does boast Bluetooth connectivity, like I've just mentioned, so you can easily safely take and make phone calls while out on the go. Or you can actually use the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto feature, which allows you to integrate your device into the car to use apps and stream music. Under the car tab here, you can adjust your Audi Drive Select, so you can switch through the different driving modes to alter the setup of the car depending on how you want it to feel. You can also adjust the individual configuration. This allows you to fully customise it further, so you get a more personal driving experience. Taking a look back in the menu of the car there, you also have your driver assist settings on here, including the lane departure warning and the Audi Presense. You can also take a look at your parking aid as well, as you do have reverse sensors on the car. You can also adjust all your settings through here and customise the menu like you'd like to. Just underneath, you've got your climate control settings here, nice and easy to use by just adjusting the dials like so, and it does work very effectively, regulates the temperature well. Just underneath, you've got shortcut control for your drive select, along with your media inputs there. And then you do have your S-Tronic automatic gearbox, along with your handbrake and some cup holders, along the rest of your centre console. So that concludes our video tour on this 2019 Audi A1 S-Line Contrast Edition. Remember, this is a Motormatch approved used vehicle, so it does come with a 30-day or 1,000 miles warranty, and 3 years RAC warranty is available, as well as flexible finance packages. Please note that all our cars are subject to a £150 admin fee to cover provenance checks. For a personal finance quote or to book a test drive, feel free to give us a call on 01244 311 404. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you soon here at Motormatch Chester.